Zoology.
Okay. Yeah, Gyana bhai, you are in mute. Gyana bhai.
Yeah,
Gyana
yeah. I
bhai.
thought it's completed. There was some issues. My people are
Okay.
disturbing me. I just logged. Okay.
Okay.
When you have completed your post graduation,
Sir, 2019.
2019. Can you rotate your mobile, whatever like you have kept? Your
Yes, sir.
right, right, right.
Yes, sir.
2019. You have completed your masters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2021. Okay, fine. What was your optional in OS?
Sir, Zoology and Home Science.
Home science. Okay, 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 okay. You are basically from Kotak.
Yes, sir.
Schooling you started in Kotak only.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Like suddenly you cropped in the I'm not share his profile.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
We are
Gyana bhai.
very informal.
I can
The
ask
mood
the
was
question.
dropped. Okay.
Yeah,
When is your interview?
Rubina, just tell
Yes,
me
sir.
like why do we want to join civil service? The same question I will ask again and again. Yeah.
It's okay, sir. So first of all, the diversity the job offers that attracts me towards it because for so many years, because in a long career span for 30, 35 years, you will not be doing the same job over and over again because there will be repetitions. In 2, 3 years, you will be learning every opportunity to learn new things will be there in the job. That is what attracts me. And for the greater good of society, we can also help in the nation building and development of the country which is ongoing. So I would like to be a part of that.
Okay. Rubina, you must have.
Robina, you just tell me.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Deepak, continue, continue.
Yeah,
Tell me.
Rubina, you must have heard the news yesterday, like in the OTV1 reporter died in Mundali Bridge, okay, near
Yes, sir.
Mahanadi, okay. So the basic like problem is there, like some elephant actually enter into the river and they want to take the picture and they unfortunately the incident happened there. Why actually this elephant actually went particularly to the river, and the main problem is human animal conflict. So how can you, like, what are the measures we should take so that human and animal conflict will eliminate? So what are the steps? You are already, I think, given the forest interview also, Odisha forest
Yes,
interview
sir.
also. Yeah,
Yes.
give me some reasons and
So,
solution.
yes, sir. So the reason why the elephant entered the water was that the elephants usually use that Atgad to Chandaka corridor for their migration, and earlier they used to go by land route. But recently, people have constructed their farmhouses over there, so that's why the elephants are forced to go through the water. So they were unaware of that the flood situation prevailing here. So they entered into the water, and that elephant happened to get inside the deep water, and he was trapped and he was separated from his herd. So to rescue him, Woodruff team was deployed, and the OTV journalist accompanied them. But it was very unfortunate that their boat capsized, and that because he lacked the journalist, especially he lacked proper training to save himself, he succumbed inside the water.
Okay.
And so reasons for human animal conflict is first is their habitat loss and degradation. Then there is land encroachment by human beings, especially around Chandka and the Adgad block. The humans have started building their the residential complexes or farmlands. That's why the incidence of human animal conflict has increased in recent times.
Okay.
So to remove this, solution is that we need to create buffer zones,
Okay.
so that especially around the elephant corridors, so that people don't encroach upon their space and they are not forced to come inside human space.
Okay. Yeah, Ganawai.
Yeah. So you are basically from Cuttack, no?
Yes, sir.
When the Cuttack got there was a undivided Cuttack district,
Yes, sir.
you know. So how many districts formed out of the undivided Cuttack district?
Sir, I'm unable to recall right now.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
So can
Rubina.
you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganawai.
Okay, we'll give input later. Okay. How many like you don't remember? No, you told. Then you just mention like you just tell me few mm, schemes that has been that has been implemented by government of Orissa. Few developmental schemes. Name few.
Yes, sir. So first is Karya scheme, which is intended to improve the livelihood of farmers by providing them annual or subsidy of 6,000 per month, I guess, so that it will help in farm inputs. And then there is Balram scheme, which provides agricultural loans to the farmer. Then the government provides subsidized rice at 2 rupees to the poor people, which will probably help 60 million people in the state. And then there is
Lagi
sir,
ba.
Mo Sarkar.
Apare ba.
It's not a scheme; it's an
Apare da
initiative by
lakshya.
the government
Apare gotte
to
jiya ଅଛି.
help citizens in getting dignified service delivery from the government side.
What is 5T?
So 5T stands for technology, teamwork, timeliness, transformation, and transparency.
Okay. Rubina, I will give one
Paper
situation.
control.
Yeah, I will give one situation which is exactly asked in the board itself. Okay. So you are in which board?
So both two.
Board 2. The exact board actually given this situation. I will tell you. So what is your answer? Suppose you are a BDO in a particular block and collector assign you to make a PPT related to any development project. Okay, you assign that work to your subordinate to complete. You went in a holiday. While you come back, you the next day itself we need to submit the PPT to the collector, but you find that that PPT has not yet ready, and that person whom you have assigned the work, he has not started yet. So what is your response in that situation, and you will work what you will do in that situation?
So, so first of all, it was unprofessional attitude by the subordinate to not complete the work assigned to him. So I will deal with him later. The first thing at hand is to complete the work which was assigned to the department itself and get the work done. So I would
No, you will
do
do the
with
work yourself, or you will do with anyone else.
sir. If it's a teamwork, then I would definitely make a take help of others to complete it. Or if it is possible to do it by myself, then I would do it. But I would try to make sure that other people also get involved in it. And then after that, I will seek a written explanation from the subordinate for not completing the work in time.
Okay, I will tell you the answer later. Okay, whatever the
What
board.
inspired you to join civil service? Okay. Rubina, what inspired you to join civil service?
Yes, sir. So first thing is that I got to know about this services during my masters, and there I got to know about the opportunity the service holds, the broad spectrum of work which we will be able to do during our service career. If I join any other thing, then my whole life I will be doing a similar kind of work. But here there is a diversity of work, so one will not get bored easily because of job, and there is also scope that you can continue further studies after joining civil services, because most of I've seen IAS and IPS officers after getting into services they pursue higher studies at very dignified universities and all. So I thought it will open not only a great career for me, along with nation building I will also be able to educate myself from the service.
Only
That's why
bureaucrats are doing nation building, others are not doing.
no, sir. Everybody else is involved in its tiny role. Everybody plays in nation building, but the uh, impact of the work done by bureaucrat it has wider impact. That's why.
Yeah, fine. Like you told that there is a monotonous in other jobs.
Yes,
How,
sir.
how, how you came to know? You have never been to any job, and you are telling there is a monotonous job in other profession. Only civil service provide the diversity. Justify that.
Sir, in our family and in a friend circle, we have doctors, we have engineers, police officers, and I have closely observed my teachers. So I have seen how their life is, especially my teachers. They enjoy their job. That's very nice. But the whole life they are engrossed with those books and all. And my father being in government service, I have seen how his life is. Every time he focuses on similar kinds of things, and there is lack of diversity in his jobs. And in our family also there are many teachers, so that's why I thought I want to do something different from their job profile. That's why I first
You
tried.
define that diversity which you have observed in your like your career you are aspiring for. Tell me the diversity you have.
So first, a person who belongs to any academic background, it doesn't matter here. There is a revenue department, we have administration, policing is there, finance is there, and anything which a person likes, he can join here if given a chance. So that's what I tried to do.
Do you know there was a commission called Planning Commission?
Yes, sir.
It is still existing or not?
No, sir. It was abolished in the year 2015, and Niti Aayog took its place.
Yeah, Rubina,
Yes, sir.
like one of the major issue in Odisha is the Naxal problem. Okay, so what are the cause behind this Naxalism, and how actually government addressing this issue? So this is also asked in your same board. Tell me. So I'll ask the same question which already asked by your board. Okay.
Yes, sir. So yes, the west, especially in western and northern Odisha, we find instances of Naxalism. So that's because of poor development. Poverty
Okay.
is prevalent in those regions.
Okay.
That's why, due to lack of developmental opportunities and proper livelihood opportunity, people take help of these left-wing extremists for their economic benefit. That's why it exists in Odisha. Government is trying to do this. The schemes are being launched so that these people leave this extremism and they join the mainstream and be a part of nation building.
Any scheme related to the like development of the Naxal area? Can you name one or two scheme?
So I'm unable to recall. I
Have
guess
you heard
Samat
about
scheme.
Samadhan? Have you heard about Samadhan Nahi Rosni?
Yes, sir. Samadhan scheme. I've
Okay.
heard.
Okay. Okay. So, Gyana bhai, you are in mute. Yeah.
Just a minute. You are staying in Cuttack city.
Yes, sir.
What is the three problems of Cuttack city?
Uh, so first problem is unemployment. Then I see the sanitation problem, especially during monsoon. The residents face waterlogging issues over here, and drainage problem also exists in our city. And there are also few incidents of crimes in the city, like sometimes robbery or murders. They're also common.
You have told unemployment.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any data to substantiate your point you have mentioned?
Yes, yes. I'm unable to recall it. But that's what I have observed in and around.
Okay. Suppose you will be given charge of preparing a development plan for Cuttack city. Like what will be your focus area?
So first would be infrastructure. The roads, there are many potholes and drainage is not proper over here. So my first focus would be that. Then next, there would be improvement in the quality of government schools and colleges over here, because most of the schools they don't impart quality education. Then my next focus would be health infrastructure, like especially in primary and secondary healthcare centers, that people are given affordable and accessible healthcare. And third would be to enforce some of the skill development programs for the youth in the city, so that they give adequate employment opportunity.
What are all the skill related institutions you have in the Cuttack city,
Related
which are
institutions.
imparting skill to the students?
So ITIs are there, government
ITIs.
ITIs.
How many
Yes,
ITI
sir.
are there?
guess two Madhusudan ITI is there, and one is Bose campus also ITI is there in the campus.
Okay. Any Chaudhar or any ITI college there in Chaudhar?
So I'm unable
Chaudhar,
to
that is
recall.
not ITC. So I think you have one ITI at Khapuria,
Yes, sir.
another ITC for ladies near that Bose campus you are telling about. Bose is not a ITI; it's a
It's a
polytechnic which
diploma.
imparts diploma
Diploma.
education. That is the thing.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Deepak, you have.
Yeah. So like one question like in Cuttack district there is a program called Seed Ball. It's related to what? Seed Ball program.
Why, sir? I'm
Okay,
unaware of it.
I'll do some rapid round. Okay, so
Yes,
the
sir.
question which already asked, I'll ask. Okay, member of Quad Group,
India, US, Australia, and Japan.
member of ACUS,
Australia, America, and United Kingdoms.
person who got the gold medal in Paralympic from Odisha.
Pramod Bhagat.
Name of the woman from Western Odisha who actually in the UN General Secretary panel to help them in climate change and global warming.
Archana Sorin.
Very good. Name of the person from Odisha who selected in Gaganyaan mission, like we are planning to send by 2022 space human space mission. Person from Odisha.
I'm unable to recall his name, but he is a pilot in the Indian Air Force.
Yes. What is the name of that pilot? Nikhil
I'm
Ratha.
unable.
Okay, Nikhil
Nikhil.
Ratha. Name of the
Thank you, sir.
name of the place in India which is a biosphere reserve, which is a national park, which is Ramsar Convention wetland and also Montreux record.
So, Kerala Deo
Very
Rana
good.
Bird Center.
Okay. Which is the first site in India and also placed in Odisha, listed in the Ramsar Convention site wetland.
Chilika Lake.
Okay, very good. Okay, tell me for five qualities you have, you think that you are the best fit for this job.
So, first, I think empathy, then dedication, perseverance, then sir, compassion,
Okay.
and so hardworking.
Okay. Yeah, that is all from our side, Rubina. Gyana, hey, do you have any question?
Yeah, no, I don't have any question. Like the characteristics you are telling, it should be very simple. No, like you are telling some typical, no, from Google kind of thing. Getting my point.
See,
Yes.
Just tell what is required for
yeah,
public service. Make it very
yeah,
simple.
Rubina,
It will be
actually,
more this thing.
you
Okay.
are going
Okay.
to be a civil servant. So, the quality of a civil servant, leadership qualities, you have
Yes,
to
sir.
tell, okay, like
Yes.
decision making, quick decision making, and
Yes, sir.
these are the qualities you
You
have to take
connect to
care.
people, like
Okay,
connecting with the people. All this can make it very simple. Empathy, like all those things, empathy, like these all high
then
tech
you
things.
are
Like
like liberal, okay.
somebody will enter into no because they'll ask what is empathy. Then there may be some question crops. Remember, whatever word you tell in your interview,
They will
that
ask on that.
crops up another question. So
Yes.
interviewer, they never prepare. Even I am sitting, he's sitting. We have never prepared. Like what will ask. Even
Yes.
your Deepak sir has not shared your profile. You just
Resume.
simply look
Okay, I
in. We
have
have
not
not
shared the
prepared.
resume. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever you will say from there, things will crop up. You said Katak, people will ask from
Sir,
Katak.
they have asked one person, BJP college, say Bakshi Jagabandhu, what are the things Bakshi Jagabandhu did? Paika Vidroha they told. So you are also SB Women College, na? You need to prepare for Sadabala also. What are the
Yes,
contribution of
sir.
Sadabala? That question you will definitely get. Okay. And what are
Yes,
the
sir.
challenges, particularly in Odisha, particularly in Cuttack, how you are solving these issues? So these issues are they are asking. So be prepared for this one. I want to be in the list, but so sorry कि हमारा OFS ର final list को ଯାଇପାରିଲାନି but some mark, but I am definitely sure कि तमे एथर final को जाउଛ ମାନେ rank list ରେ ଆସୁଛ ବୋଲି।
Also, some issues related to minorities in India. I would suggest you can
Yeah,
tell.
perfect question, Gyana bhai. Okay,
Okay.
Yes,
related to for you actually how like whether Muslim people are fear in they are feel unsafe in India. What is your opinion? So this question definitely maybe they will ask.
And you have to balance your views, and you read some minority issues, minority schemes, all those issues of that aspect also you should keep, because that
And
will be,
particularly, sir, Ganavai Citizen Amendment Act they have asked, and it is
yeah.
best question for you, and they definitely ask. Okay, so
Yes, I
prepare
will
on
be
this.
ready.
When is your interview?
So 1st October.
I will do one more mock interview. Okay, so
Yes.
I'll get the question, and based on that, I'll ask you one more mock interview. Okay,
Okay,
all the
Deepak,
best.
if you are doing, like, share me the profile before, so that I
Yeah,
like I
yeah, yeah, Ganavai. Okay, I'll definitely share. Okay,
I think
yeah,
your everything is all right. Like, if you have
yeah.
done fairly good in your written, you will be through. But you try to do well so that you will have a good rank.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. I will try.
I think communication wise you are very strong and the current affair also very strong. Only thing little bit state specific and district specific you need to prepare.
Yes, I will prepare that.
Okay. All the best,
Yes.
Vedant, and thank you.
Thank you,
You
sir.
can drop.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Deepak, I think we can
Huh?
just ଆଜି ମାନେ ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ତ?
ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଭଦ୍ରକର କଲେକ୍ଟର ଝିଅ ଥିଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମନା କରିଦେବି କି କାଲି କରିବା ପାଇଁ କି ସଣ୍ଡେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ପ୍ୟାନେଲ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ଜ୍ଞାନ ଭାଇ ଯଦି କାଲି ଟିକେ ଟାଇମ ଦେଇପାରନ୍ତି ଆଉ
ହଁ,
ଘଣ୍ଟାଟେ
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ସେୟାର ଦ
ଆଉ
ରିଜ୍ୟୁମ
ମୁଁ ପ୍ରୋଫାଇଲ
ପଠେଇବି।
ଗୁଡାକ ମାନେ ଆଡଭାନ୍ସରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଯୋଉ ମାନଙ୍କର ହବ ମୁଁ ଆଡଭାନ୍ସରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇଦେବି ଓକେ
लेकिन मुझे गुड़ाए सब भूलियाली गले ଆଉ କନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ଫନଷ୍ଟିଟ୍ୟୁସନ ଗୁଡା ସବୁ ମନେ ନାହିଁ ୱାନ୍ସ ଲାଇକ୍ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କହିଲେ ସବୁ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ସବୁ ରିକଲ ହବ। ଆଉ ଓଏସରେ ଏମିତି କିଛି ବେଶୀ କିଛି ହାଇଫାଇ ଜିନିଷ ନାହିଁ, ଅନଲାଇକ୍ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟିଭ ସର୍ଭିସ ଦେ ଲାଇକ୍। ତାପରେ ଏମାନେ ବୋର୍ଡ କେମିତି ଆଗରୁ ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ଅନଫେୟାର।
ପୁରା କହି ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଏ ବୋର୍ଡ 1 ରେ ପଡିଛି, ବୋର୍ଡ 2 ରେ ପଡିଛି, ବୋର୍ଡ 3 ରେ
ନା
ପଡିଛି।
ନା ୟୁପିଏସସି ରେ ଏମିତି ହୁଏନି। ୟୁପିଏସସି ରେ ୟୁ नो इन दैट डे दैट टाइम यू विल गो यू वेरीफाई ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ
ଏଠି
ଭେରିଫିକେସନ ହବ।
ଏଠି ବହୁତ ଏପଟ ସେପଟ ଚାଲିଛି ଜାଣିବା।
ସେଠି ସିଏ ଲେଖିଦବ ଭିତରୁ ପଶିଲା ପରେ,
ହଁ।
ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକଟେ ଚଲେଇ ଚଲେଇ ନବ 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ଲାଗିବ ବୋଧେ ସେ ପହଞ୍ଚେ।